Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers, and there's a new threat that's out and it's affecting Microsoft Outlook. This is a 0-day threat and it's critical that you update it as soon as possible. We do in the blog, and we did an email, and we go through how to open up Outlook, go to File, Office Account, Office Updates, and Update Now. And Microsoft are rating this 9.8 out of 10, so it is important that you get this done as soon as possible. So click on File, then come down to Office Account, then you're going to click on Update and Update Now. That'll update it. You need to make sure that your Outlook and Excel and Word are closed so it can update correctly, and then you're going to be protected. Please do this as soon as possible. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.